Hello everybody, I've got another game with this ZX Spectrum here. This is Shadow Warriors. Now this was from the arcades. I remember it actually was a decent little beat 'em up. Quite enjoyed it back in the day. And this version is believe it or not, it's not monochrome on the Spectrum. It's pretty colourful and looks quite decent. And I quite enjoyed it. I know there's a lot of people who didn't enjoy it. There's only one or two moves you can do. But it's a decent game. It was made by Ocean back in '89. Let's have a game, eh? Oh no, don't know the keys. Oh god, what are the keys? Right, up A, up down, yeah. What's fire? Is it M? Okay, I need to know what the fire button is. As you can see, the graphics are decent. I can't get anywhere unless I find me a fire button. Wait a minute. Let's have a look. Is it space? Oh. Oh man. Sorry, I'm just messing around here. Oh, what was that? Okay. Gives me instructions. Where are they? Hello everyone, I'm back. I've got the move now. Yes, so I'm this ninja. Oof. Gold. You see what they've done? They've added the sprites in like sort of a black shadow. But it doesn't look too bad actually. I see you've got to, don't let them get you both at a time or they'll flatten you. Get one at a time. Right, got him. Ah. Yeah. Right, come on then. No messing about now. I see these colours on that look really good. Well detailed. I must admit, like it's quite difficult to control at times. I'm sure you can hang off the jump off the poles as well. Oh, that's it. Yeah, you can sort of throw them. That's it. Aha. Right. So you can jump. Sort of jump away from them. Yeah, you can kick them like that as well. Yes. Oh, how dare you! Looks like Jason, isn't he? Come on, Jason. Oh, it's a yellow ninja. And I've just moved my camera. Sorry about that. Okay. Come on then. I'll just kick you all like this. Kick and swing. Go and get us like this, King is. I'm going to flatten these first, and then I'm going to try and move on. I want to get further. Oh, you see, get us together. Right, okay. Oh, a bit unforgiving, isn't it? Oh my god, there's been too many of them. Sods. So this worked on my tape recorder. Can you believe it? Look at them, they just won't leave us alone. Oh, just want to get past this part. Can you get out of the way? Oh, can't get out of the way. No, yes. Okay. Is it there? God. Yes. Okay, move on now. I'm supposed to. You're supposed to go along the top there. Yeah, that's it. Oh no. I've got to get at the top. Wait. That's it. That's it. Go on. Oh God. Yeah, I've got to get out of here. There's too many of them. I want to get killed here. Ah. Right. Chuck them. Ah. Oh, am I dead again? No, I'm not. Right, come on. Ah. Come on. Die. Last chance. Move, move, move. God, they just queued up on there. Ah, no. I'm not giving up. I'm going to keep jumping until I get a chance to flatten one of them. Oh. Ah. Ooh. Oh, the Guardians, yeah. Oh, look at that. Nasty. Whoa, whoa. Oh, just chuck them. Yeah. Keep chucking them. Ooh. Now, I haven't played this since I would say the 90s. No word of a lie. I don't know if that just has me in one of these games I played. But I'm back to anyway. It's not a bad game. Ah. Oh. I'll try to throw them and then... Okay. Yay! Have a bit of that. Ninja style. Get flattened now. Oh! Get on the road and get flattened. Oh, no, you didn't. Whew. Big log wood. Oh, that's what you gotta do. Gotta cut there, haven't I? How do I go on the side? Or... Sorry, I'm not very good at this. Whoa! Come on, keep going. Just keep going. Oh, just need to get over there. I'm stuck. Yes. Oh. There's too many of them. Too many of them. I need to throw them. Move, move, move. Oh. Yes. Keep chucking them if I can. For now, it's too many of them. Oh. Ooh. Ah. I haven't got much space to move around. Ooh. Yeah. What that is? Nothing. Right. Another busy road. Ah, yellow jeeps everywhere. No, I don't want to go that way. I was going to jump over the roads quicker. Come on. Oh! Come on. Oof. Okay, I'll go. Last go here, last go. Wish us luck. See, I am getting it slightly used to it, but it's one of those games where you have to chuck them about. There's just too many. If there's two of them at a time, you've got no chance. One of them, yeah. Oh. Oh, what on earth? Are you guys there? On the bottom there. Oh. Oh, right. Oh, so much going on here. It's hard to see. Whoa! Whoa. What the hell is going on? I'm just jumping like a nut here, if you noticed, because this is really difficult. It's moving quite well, actually. It's scrolling quite well for all the big characters on the screen. It's decent. Ah. Keep chucking them like this, I might stand a chance. Yeah. Ooh. Well, that was hardly fair. one more to go. I just tried to finish this level. I can't get him. Ah, that's weird. Oh, I'm in trouble. Oh, I think I've got to get up the top. Oh. I like the way how you can just throw them. Because if you didn't have that move, honestly, you'd be a goner. Straight away. Oh, I'm in trouble. Oh, yeah, just do the moves. Oh. Okay, I am going to leave it there. Even though I had one more credit. But yeah, that was just a little playthrough. A little review of Shadow Warrior. Yeah, I quite enjoyed that. And I thought it was quite a good game. And if you've seen the colours, it's not a bad game at all, really. And it's got a kind of little tune here as well. 128K. Thanks for watching this anyway. That's another review done of Shadow Warrior on the ZX Spectrum. Please like, please subscribe. Put a comment below. We'll have a little chat about this game or any other games I've got. Obviously I've been doing this channel for a few months now, like I would say properly. I'm starting to build a few videos up on my channel. Don't know if he's a bother, but if you like my channel at all, there's plenty of other videos I've done in the past. I would say the last few months really. ZX Spectrum, Commodore 64. I've done a couple on the Wii, a few on the PSP, and I've done a few PC games. As I says, the PC games will be played in the house as well as the PSP, because at the moment the temperature has dropped and it's bloody freezing. But thanks for watching everyone. See you again. Goodbye.